Collectiv's visioning program is a strategic offering. Its primary goal is to give organizations a blueprint for their data journey over the coming 1 to 3 years. Many of our clients find that they need a more defined strategy to guide this project and the projects that are going to come after it. As a result of that, many of them find it very beneficial to bring in our visioning program team to help them define that strategy and the blueprints.
Power BI and the business intelligence arena is a massive and ever-changing subject, both from a technical perspective as well as from an experience perspective. We deal with Power BI and the Microsoft data stack day in, day out. We've seen it in all industries. We can bring that expertise and that experience to bear within the visioning program to get you on the right track, not just for now, but also for the future of the organization as you grow and become more mature.
The visioning program starts off with finding out at least a core area that folks care about. From there, we curate a series of conversations with not just the primary stakeholders, but everybody in the organization that will either have input or will touch the output of whatever data initiative we're working on. And then as a result of all of those conversations, we can come up with a very cohesive picture of what the blueprint should be.
The visioning program is being used in a wide variety of ways by our clients, from particular departments who are looking to achieve specific goals within maybe finance or sales, operations or HR, through to corporate-wide change around Power BI and adopting business intelligence and data analytics within the organization across the enterprise.
One of the visioning programs that Collectiv had the opportunity to work on was for a client that was trying to build a product to sell and turn to their clients. And what we got to do was help them define the architecture of what they needed. So we pulled together a couple elements from the Power BI platform, a couple elements from the Azure platform. And we got to talk with all of their engineers about what would work with certain systems and what wouldn't. And we were able to give them an architectural diagram and a blueprint of how to build that so that then they could make that product and go to market.
The main benefit of Collectiv's visioning program is that it gives you a roadmap. That roadmap could have 6 months, 12 months, 18 months of how we're going to get you from point A to point B. And really, it's that guided approach to help you implement and succeed in the goals that you want to achieve throughout your BI journey.
Wherever you are with your Power BI and data journey, the vision program is ideal for you. Whether you've got no experience with Power BI or you've got a lot of experience and a lot of in-house talent, we can absolutely help and provide value for all of those circumstances.